you're thinking about simplifying your lifestyle, reducing maintenance, or just making a change, townhomes might be exactly what you're looking for. Hello, I'm Maria Trujillo with Realty One Group Integrity. Let's start with practicality. Townhomes often offer the perfect amount of space without the upkeep of a large yard or sprawling floor plan. Many come with features like attached garages, patios, making everyday living more convenient. They're also simpler to manage. While not all townhome communities include exterior maintenance, many are designed with low upkeep in mind, smaller yards, compact footprints, and efficient layouts that make everyday care easier. If you're ready to trade big chores for a more manageable lifestyle, this can be a great fit. And location, and that's a big benefit. Townhomes are often tucked into well-connected neighborhoods, close to shopping, restaurants, parks, and everyday essentials. You can stay near everything you love without feeling isolated or overwhelmed by space that you don't need. When it comes to value, townhomes tend to be a smart investment. They hold their value well, especially in growing markets like ours. And if your goal is to right-size without giving up comfort, they offer a strong balance of affordability and quality. Everyone's situation is different, but if you're looking for a low-maintenance, comfortable option in a great community, I'd love to show you what's available. I'm Maria Trujillo with Realty One Group Integrity. Let's explore your next chapter together.